everyone, it's Lee Bullen from West Country Cleaning Equipment, the Southwest Industrial Cleaning Equipment Specialist. We're here today in sunny Portland to install a new truck wash system. So the machine's actually housed inside this unit here. We've got an outlet chimney here, outlet flue system all secured down, protected from rainwater ingress with the cap on the top there. Real nice setup this one. We've got a nice 20-metre stainless steel hose reel, automatic, so it's retractable. So that fits on there, and that is fed from this lovely bit of kit here. And in here we have got our Ehrle HSC 923. So this is the 14 litre per minute machine, 120 bar. It's pre-piped in to some traffic film remover here. We've also supplied them with a new drum of our Power Force XL, as you can see. So this machine is finished in stainless steel. We haven't quite finished this yet. We've got to give it a clean up, as you can see, finger marks all over it. So the machine itself is a cabinet wash, okay, and the idea is that we secure everything inside the cabinet. So all the drivers need to do is either turn the machine on or off on here. We've got access to hot water on and off, and also detergent on and off. Now everything is regulated and locked away inside this cabinet. So if, for example, we look at the chemical system, inside we have our chemical tank comes through, and it comes through a feed pipe at the back through to this regulator here. So you can preset your chemical, so once the door's locked, the machine will only suck in a regulated amount of chemical, and that's to save on chemical wastage, because it's quite expensive, isn't it, because it all just ends up down the drain. Okay, so the next button along, or next switch along I should say, we've got hot water on and off, and these are nice big simple clunky switches that you can operate with gloves on, no problem at all. No silly flashing lights on these machines. So you turn the burner on and off on the outside, and inside it's preset here. All right, so I'll give you a bit of a view of that one. So that's the thermostat, so you can set it down to about 20 degrees, which is in the summertime, it's, you know, that's ambient water temperature going in, and as you can see, it will go right the way around. So for normal vehicle washing, this is in a transport stroke skip hire company, so we're going to leave this one set at around about 60 to 70 degrees, and that will give a really good standard of clean without burning too much fuel. Okay, so there's our 14 litre per minute pump, 120 bar. Got a big single phase motor on the back of it. Here's our vertical boiler, nice efficient boiler with an hour meter as well. They'll always include an hour meter on most of their machines. Then we've got our fuel system here. So the fuel tank is down here. Now this is a big 60 litre fuel tank. You can disconnect that and take it away to fill it and bring it back, 2-person carry, or you can bring a Bowser to it and easily fill it up in there. So that stays there. Got a nice easy access fuel filter bowl. So there's no reason that we get dirty fuel through these machines. But if you do, we have a Magic Eye. Now what this does, I've spoken about the flame failure device before on other videos. This will, sorry, just try and focus that there. This will monitor the flame inside the boiler. And if there's any issue with the quality of fuel for whatever reason, perhaps somebody might have put detergent in the fuel tank or whatever, then this little photosensitive cell will monitor the flame. It will see that the flame is diminished, and it will turn off the burner system for you. So when that happens, the burner system goes off. You can still use the machine on cold. So the idea is the burner goes off, the operator reports it back to their manager, the manager reports it to us. We come out, we'll clean the fuel tank out, clean the fuel filter out as necessary, get it all back up and running, and the machine will run again straight away, without pouring out gallons of smoke out the boiler, which you see on other machines that aren't fitted with this. This is going to become, you know, a really popular item on all of the machines that we sell now. In fact, we don't really sell any of our machines now without this flame system on it, because it is such a, you know, it's such a great addition to your machine. There's a fuel pressure gauge on here for the fuel pressure, obviously. Water tank down here. We can fit a bigger water tank if necessary. Customer's got real good strong water supply, so we've got no need to do that. So we've got plenty of water in there. Low water level sensor, so if the water mains pressure drops for any reason, a little level in there and it will turn the machine off, protecting the pump, etc. A couple of other safety features are the flow switch and pressure switches, which control the shutdown of the machine and also monitor for low flow going through. In other words, it'll turn the burner off so it won't overheat. Pressure gauge on top of the pump here. All right. This is the fuel, this is the chemical solenoid, and there's a small, there's a chemical pump at the back here. So when you operate the chemical switch on the front of the machine here, that will then pull through chemical down that pipe through the solenoid via the chemical dosing system here. So whatever you set this to, that's exactly what chemical you're going to get out of there. All right, so that's a brief overview of our Ehrle hot water HD923. That looks down like that. Take the key out, pull it up, and then you're sorted. All right, I'll just put that on there. So turn the machine onto burn, and then you basically come outside, pull the trigger. There's their old machine. Slight delay, and the machine comes on. All right, hope you enjoyed that one. If there's anything else that you'd like to see that we sell, please feel free to give us a shout. This has been Lee at West Country Cleaning Equipment. Thanks for your time. Bye.